Today we are taking you to part 2 of our Northridge remodel. If you joined us for our last webisode, we shared the entry, the kitchen, the great room, and showed you what a massive undertaking this entire remodel is. We are now going into the bedroom spaces today, starting with the master bedroom. In the master, we were working with their existing bed, and then we gave it a fresh look with new linens. We added this beautiful grass cloth, and the color palette is gray, white, lots of layers, and we tied that into the color palette in the master bathroom. Before and after of the master bathroom is nuts, especially that tub area with the curved overhang and large columns. We knocked that out, reconfigured the entire space. We moved the shower, we changed the vanities and designed all custom cabinets, brought in marble floors, and the statement of the bathroom is now this beautiful black tub. This bathroom has a lot of square footage to work with. So we had a lot of tile, and just doing a basic layout wasn't enough. So we added some detail by doing a herringbone pattern and adding some interest to the walls. We designed a paneling that isn't painted a true white, it's more of a warm, kind of soft white. And I think that adds a great layer, as do things like the vintage rug, the artwork, and the use of hampers as functional storage. Mudrooms are one of my favorite spaces to design in the home. They are a total luxury to get that extra storage space, and in this one, we wanted to keep it fun. So we designed this custom leaf wallpaper and tied that in with these really cool louvered door green cabinets, and then warmed it up with wood accents on the bench top and the hooks. We freshened up the laundry room with a light, soft blue-green on the cabinets, which really freshens up a windowless space. And then right next door is this cute bathroom that we did two-tone cabinets, which is one of my favorite looks to do right now. White on the frame and then a wood slab front. And then we did a gray thick quartz on the countertops. We started with an empty nook at the top of the stairs and made it into a cute little reading nook with built-in cabinets. I love the tiny drawer detail, and then we added a window seat with a cute cushion and eclectic pillows and artwork. Moving to this sweet little moving to this sweet little girl's room. Okay, moving to this sweet little girl's room. I can't say girls. Moving to this sweet little girl's room. I love how it turned out. Our client wanted it to be fun and colorful, full of pattern and life. It all started with this cute wallpaper. We took it on all of the walls for a huge statement, and then we added colorful pillows on the bed. We have this ochre tone and some terracottas and pinks. We did pattern on pattern with this blue framed artwork above the dresser, and my favorite part is the ballet bar on the opposite side of the room. The ensuite bathroom is a play off of the color palette in a more muted way than what we have going on in the bedroom. We have a soft pink wallpaper, subtle gray cabinets, and then gold accents. we had several boys' bedrooms to design, and so we carried similar elements throughout, like wood, black accents, and some primary colors, which is fun and playful, and I think actually grows up really well when you do it in the right way. We used our own nightstand from McGee & Co., which goes in every style of space. We've used it in master bedrooms, boys' bedrooms, you could even use it in a girl's bedroom. I love it so much. The wood tone is light, it's airy, and it has black accents, which ties in really nicely with what we have going on in the desk area in this bedroom. And then I love the red and yellow and blue accents in here. That wraps up our Northridge remodel. If you haven't seen the first video, go check it out and make sure you subscribe because we have more home tours coming.